Hello my friends, it's NG World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you apply it at night before you sleep, and in the morning everyone will wonder what's your secret to whitening your skin tone and to get milky fair skin, and without any side effects, with all natural ingredients at home. It will work for you 100%, and it's super effective in removing dark spots, black spots, hyperpigmentation, and if you do have melasma or any kind of pimples, scars, this will remove it for you, and you will get milky fair skin, even toned skin, spotless skin, and glowing skin naturally without any side effects, my friends, with all natural ingredients. But before we start out, it's a request: if it's the first time you see my video and the first time you see my channel, then quickly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way every time I upload new remedy, you will be notified to watch it, and you will get so many useful tips from me. So make sure to subscribe my channel. So my friends, to prepare this magical remedy in a clean mixing bowl, we need to add 1 teaspoon of rice flour, and here I grinded the rice very fine in a food processor or a grinder, and I add 1 teaspoon of rice flour and get the rice grinded fine, and you will be amazed with the result. It whitening your skin tone and will get you rid of all the skin related problems, any darkening on your skin. It will whitening your skin tone, and it's an Asian secret. Add 1 teaspoon of rice flour. Then we need to add on it half teaspoon of baking soda, and if you do have sensitive skin, you can skip the baking soda. Then my friends, we need to add a little pinch of turmeric powder, or around 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and mix the dry ingredients together. Like so, my friends. Then we need to add around 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, and here I'm using the market aloe vera gel. You can use natural aloe vera gel instead. Add around 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Then my friends, we need 1 lemon, and cut the lemon in half like so, and add the fresh lemon juice on the remedy. Mix well the ingredients like so. Now our skin whitening remedy is ready. Apply it on your skin. If you do have sensitive skin, this doesn't suit you, unfortunately, but my friends, if you do have any skin types, this will work for you 100%. It bleach the skin and it whitening the skin tone naturally without causing any side effects, and it removes the blackheads, whiteheads, large open pores, and will leave your skin tight as glass and white as snow. It is super effective in getting rid of suntan and dark spots and black spots, and will get you spotless skin. I'm sure this video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video a big like, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys.